There we go. Right down the gullet. Question of the day is, what would you do for a 10-pounder? I honestly don't know. I'd probably do anything. Okay, let's get this guy back. See you later, little guy. Oh. No way. As you can see, guys, it is Wednesday, July 30th, 6/16. Another day, another bass. Let's get this guy back. See you later, little. Holy smokes, I can't speak today. There we go. Third bass. There we go. Hook was in there good. Nice hook set. Fish was not harmed. There we go. Gotta love it, guys. Right, gotta love it. That sounds weird. Well, here's another guy. Maybe a pound, maybe. Another foot long, so let's toss him back. There you go. Oh, I got smoked. Wait, did I get smoked? Yeah, I did. There he goes. Another little dink on that wacky rig. Let's get him back. Oh, there he goes. Well, the day is over. We fished about an hour. Caught a couple small ones, but hey, like I said, fishing's fishing. See you guys next time.